A man feared his wife wasn't hearing as well as she used to, and he thought she might need a hearing aid. Not quite sure how to approach her, he called the family doctor to discuss the problem. The doctor told him there is a simple informal test the husband could perform to give the doctor a better idea about her hearing loss. "Here's what you do," said the doctor. "Stand about 40 feet away from her, and in a normal conversational speaking tone, see if she hears you. If not, go to 30 feet, then 20 feet, and so on until you get a response." That evening, the wife is in the kitchen cooking dinner, and he was in the den. He says to himself, "I'm about 40 feet away. Let's see what happens." Then, in a normal tone, he asks, "Honey, what's for dinner?" No response. So the husband moves closer to the kitchen, about 30 feet from his wife, and repeats, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Still no response. Next, he moves into the dining room, where he is about 20 feet from his wife, and asks, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Again, he gets no response. So he walks up to the kitchen door, about 10 feet away. "Honey, what's for dinner?" Again, there is no response. So he walks right up behind her. "Honey, what's for dinner?" "Ralph, for the 5th time, chicken